So let's start with strings. Strings are known to be the array of characters. So in our case, name is array of characters, and it consists of different characters. So on position 0 we'll have n, and the last position will have n as well. So in this example it's my name, and in this example we have a case. Yeah, it's also string, and we can have different types of strings. It should contain of characters. So characters can be ASCII characters, so it can be anything you want. Yeah. So let's see the operations on the strings. Strings can have additions. So addition basically just adds the word to the end of the existing string. So in our case, cats plus dogs will be cats space dogs, because everything will be added to the end. So it will be added character by character. In our case, the resulting string will be this one. So let's check this one. Animals currently is cats space dogs plus rabbits. So it will create a new string which will be cats, dogs, and rabbits using the same mechanism. Also, as I said to you before, so the string is an array of characters. So if you want to print the character at position 0, you should access it by using square brackets. So in our case, the character at position 0 will be C. And if you want to print a substring, you should give the starting position and the ending position. So this one will be exclusive. It's not inclusive. So by exclusive, we mean that we are not covering it. So it will be all the characters from including position 2 and including position 7, from 2 to 7. Yeah. In our case, it's TC space dog. Okay, let's check another example. There's also multiplication for the strings. It's not the same as for the numbers. So in our case, it's gonna just replicate the string. So animals times 2 is the same as animals plus animals. So let's run it. So we got cats space cats. So any guesses if we multiply by 3? Yeah, guys, I think you are right. Yeah, it will be cats, cats, and cats. Yeah. In our case, animals was multiplied by 2, and we got cats and cats. Yeah. And there is formatting. Formatting is done by special characters. So in our case, this module S will be replaced by Dejon. So S stands for the string, and D stands for the integer, and D will be replaced by 1971. And when we print Kaist, it will be printed in this beautiful form. Kaist is in Dejon and was established in 1971. So let's make sure that it produces the same outputs. Yeah, Kaist is in Dejon and was established in 1971. So let's check example 3. So in this case, we'll be checking substring in our string. So in operator checks if we have this substring in our string. In the first case, we have it, so it should be true. But in the second case, Python and Python are actually different things, because Python here is written with the lower case, I mean P, character P. So if we do it in the same fashion as the original string, then we should get the correct output, so it will be true. So let's just check. So yeah, as we predicted, true, false, true. Len is a method which checks the length of the string. So in our case, as I said to you before, the length is the length of the array string is an array, right? So in our case it will be 14, as we have 14 characters. We have other methods as starts with and ends with. Starts with is checking if the string starting with this substring. So in our case it will be true because it's starting with this substring, and in this case it will be false because it's not ending with this substring. In our case we added 1 2 3 4, so computer will be computer 1 2 3 4, and it will be false. So let's check. And yeah, let's create some more cases. S that start with compu, it should be also true, but if we make it compu b v, it should be false. So let's print the string here, and let's check print s ends with 1 2 3 4. So for this one we should get true. For this one we should get true as well. For this one we should get false because t differs with this v. So here is our string s is equal to computer plus 1 2 3 4, which is computer 1 2 3 4. Yeah. So if we print s, we should get this one. Okay, and is it ending with uter? No, it's not. So it's false. Is it ending with 1 2 3 4? Yes, it is. So it will be true. Let's just run it, and let's just check. Yeah, so we got the same output. So it means that our program works. And let's check the last example for this tutorial. So we can use split function, which splits the string by the spaces. So after every space, the word will be put into the list. So the word will be put into the list. Yeah, and so after splitting the string, we'll get the resulting list of words, where each word will be a different element. Also, there is like a replace method, which replaces the string, like the characters in the string with the character we are given to the input. So we're replacing all the spaces with a slash in this example. So if we replace all the spaces with a slash, we will get a resulting string, which is this one. And we can split by slashes for this string, and we'll get the same output as we were splitting for the spaces for this string. Yeah, let's just run and check what we've got. Yeah, so here our new string is I am a teaching class, and if we split it by slashes, we will get a new list, which is the same as this list, because in this case we split it a different string, which is made of spaces and words, but this string is made of slashes and words. So this is the end of the presentation for the strings. In the next lesson we are going to cover lists. Stay tuned.